Right now on News for Jax at 11, in less than 24 hours, jury selection is set to begin in the high-profile murder trial against Aiden Fucci. Good evening to you. The St. Johns County teenager is charged with first-degree murder in the death of his schoolmate, Tristan Bailey.
Bailey was found stabbed to death on Mother's Day in 2021. News for Jax reporter Ashley Harding spoke with an attorney about this case and what we can expect tomorrow.
Nearly 2 years after Tristan Bailey was found murdered in her Durbin Crossing neighborhood, the trial against her accused killer, Aiden Fucci, is ramping up. But will it be delayed for a second time? That question centers around the defense's argument that Fucci is entitled to a 12-member jury instead of the 6-member group the judge has already ruled on. Gene Nichols, a defense attorney not affiliated with the Fucci case, joined us on the morning show Sunday.
From your perspective as a criminal defense attorney, what would you say is the advantage of a 6-member jury?
Yeah, so the defense is going to want the 12, the state's going to want the 6. And the reason why the defense wants the 12 is because trying to convince 12 people to convict a child, even though he's being tried as an adult, of such a serious crime is not the easiest thing to do. And the defense has a better chance of getting somebody out of 12 instead of 6 to agree with them and either go with not guilty or hang a jury.
Even though Fucci's attorney has appealed the matter to a higher court, Nichols believes unless the trial judge is ordered to stop the proceedings, jury selection will go on as planned. There's also the question of finding impartial jurors. Fucci's attorneys have already asked that the trial be moved somewhere else, citing extensive media coverage. The medical examiner determined the tip of his knife was found in Bailey's scalp. Investigators said other evidence, including blood and DNA, linked Bailey to Fucci. Nichols says jury selection will come down to finding people who can set aside what they know about the case and be open-minded.
What the problem will be in this case is it's a small community and many people have opinions about this case. And if you already have pre-developed opinions, then you're most likely not going to sit on this case. So that's why jury selection is going to be important. And while the defense is going to have to spend time with every individual, yes, you may have heard something, but are you going to be fair and impartial?
The judge has advised he will consider moving the trial out of St. Johns County if an impartial jury cannot be found. Ashley Harding, Channel 4, the local station.